Hey, this is Z, small scale development here, and we're at the Washington Townhouses. And so right behind me, you can see the gray PVC pipe sticking up, and that is for electrical conduit. So we're running conduit along the front of the property. You can see the gray piece sticking up on the far side there. So we dug out we dug about 4 feet down all along the front of the property, and that way we can get the electrical. We put in electrical PVC conduit, dug it in, had it inspected by the power company, and then cover it back up. That way we're not ready to install power yet, but that way we can get the power across the front of the property line when we're ready to get it installed. One thing to note, we did not get all of the materials picked up. We had probably about 10 wood pallets that were sitting out here, stacked up and organized, ready to be taken back. There's a pallet deposit. I think it's about 35 bucks for each pallet, and someone took them yesterday or the day before. So it's important to get your materials picked up as quickly as possible from the job site. That's all for today. Today is December 8th. Thanks.